On day 4 at IMC, the theme is Digitalization. Start your day in the expo, enjoy breakfast, connect with your peers, and explore the latest tools and solutions shaping maintenance and reliability. Thursday sessions feature the Uptime Award winners. These are the practitioner presentations, sharing the real stories behind these top reliability programs. Learn what they did and ask questions. You'll also find sessions on leadership, creating reliability cultures, and the human side of digital transformation. Then, in the afternoon, our general session presentation, Reliability is Human. Learn 6 strategies that connect reliability to the people who make it real, because the culture drives the performance. This is day 4 at IMC, where all the pieces come together for faster reliability.